Well, the train left Cochrane in a fever in 1932. We've been riding on the Northlander ever since she started to move. I'm going to Cochrane, not gonna mess around. Leaving Toronto, gone north to Cochrane town. Have you been north to Cochrane, or taking the train on south? It's been our town tradition on down through the years. We called it ours. She is going, she'll be gone for good. Last train is leaving from our neighborhood. When she breezes into Toronto, people gonna stop and stare. All them travelers gonna wanna ride her one more time with flair. I'm leaving Cochrane on the last train out, going to Toronto. Goodbye, she's going south. Nobody's laughing as you're leaving, and tears are filling up my eyes. We've been riding on our Northlander ever since those days gone by. She's leaving Cochrane for the last time. She's leaving Cochrane, don't want to say goodbye. Well, she started up in a fever somewhere around 32, running on down the railroad tracks, Toronto bound, and then she lose. She's leaving Cochrane, she's never let us down.
Never let us down.
We'll be hearing her whistle only one more time. We've been riding on that railroad all of her born days. We're gonna miss Northlander, even the river knows her name. There'll be no more whistle to be heard again. There'll be no more whistle, she's coming to an end. So long.
So long.